Welcome, future shapers, to the premiere episode of Neuralnomics, your front row seat to the fascinating roller coaster of artificial intelligence. I'm your enthusiastic host, Skylar Segmiller. Together, we'll dive into the thrilling possibilities of AI and have some thought-provoking fun along the way. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. Machine learning, the brains behind AI's brawn. Machine learning powers artificial intelligence, enabling systems to actually learn from data instead of following static program instructions. You can think of it like a brainiac dog that not only fetches the paper, but learns your habits and predicts when you'll need the paper delivered. There are a few main types of machine learning algorithms, each with their own superpowers. Supervised learning is like data learning from a teacher. The algorithm is trained on labeled example data, like images tagged with the object they represent. Unsupervised learning is more like a curious toddler, discovering patterns in the world. The algorithm learns by finding hidden structures and relationships within unlabeled data. Then there's reinforcement learning, where the algorithm learns through trial and error interactions with an environment, like a chess player, honing their skills. Together, these different machine learning approaches form a powerful toolkit for tackling all kinds of real-world challenges. In fact, they're already accelerating innovation across many industries. For example, self-driving cars seemed like a far-off fantasy just a decade ago. But thanks to machine learning, they've gone 0 to 60 on the innovation scale, with cars that can safely navigate complex environments. And in healthcare, machine learning is helping doctors diagnose and treat patients more effectively, discovering signals and data that even the best physician would miss. It's like having a real-life Dr. House investigating medical mysteries and unexplained conditions. Of course, none of these complex applications would be possible without significant computing power. GPUs, or graphics processing units, are the supercharged engines that allow machine learning models to train on huge datasets. So advances in GPU hardware directly accelerate the machine learning revolution. Alright, that's just a taste of what machine learning can achieve by crunching data. Up next, let's explore how AI is getting creative. Generative AI, the next frontier of creativity. There's a thrilling creative synergy happening in AI called generative adversarial networks, GANs for short. You can think of it like the Beatles, Lennon and McCartney, challenging each other. One generates new musical ideas, the other evaluates and refines them. This adversarial collaboration produces art, music, and literature that's practically indistinguishable from human-made creations. But it's not just about the arts. GANs also have groundbreaking applications in science. They can run incredibly accurate simulations to model things like climate change impacts and disease spread. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by data rather than magic. These simulations can guide research and potentially help save lives. Of course, not all uses of generative AI are so benevolent. You may have heard about deepfakes. Manipulated images and videos depicting events that never happened, like gremlins wreaking havoc in the digital realm. Deepfakes have raised serious ethical concerns, as they can erode public trust and cause real harm. So what's the solution? We need to establish ethics and regulations to steer this technology responsibly. Think of it like safety harnesses on a roller coaster. You want the thrills, but you also want guardrails against misuse. If we embrace innovation while upholding ethics, generative AI could profoundly enrich our lives. The multifaceted potential of AI. Calling AI a one-trick pony really doesn't do it justice. It's more like a Swiss Army knife, engineered by Da Vinci, capable of accomplishing almost any task you can imagine. Far from just number crunching, modern AI is composing music, writing screenplays, even helping address climate change. This is a tool that's not just helping industries, it's redefining what's humanly possible. Let's consider a few examples. In healthcare, AI isn't just assisting doctors. It's forecasting outbreaks before they occur and diagnosing conditions years earlier. It's shifting medicine from reactive to preventative. Likewise, with climate science, AI isn't just weather reporting. It's analyzing the deep interconnected forces shaping our planet and guiding us through the stormy seas ahead. And when it comes to creativity, AI is generating art and music as compelling as the works of history's masters. How? By recognizing and replicating the patterns of creativity that resonate with the human soul. The message is clear. Artificial intelligence is emerging as so much more than computing power. It represents a new frontier of knowledge, of discovery, of human expression. A frontier we are all pioneers of together. Forging an ethical path forward. Of course, amidst all the excitement around AI, we have to acknowledge the very real ethical challenges it poses. As the technology grows more capable and ubiquitous in our lives, issues around bias, privacy, and job automation loom large. You could compare it to the way sunsets cast shadows. AI's rise illuminates wondrous possibilities, but also surfaces difficult questions we must address. Issues like algorithmic bias that could perpetuate historical discrimination if not mitigated. Massive troves of data ripe for misuse and privacy violations without proper governance. Entire workforces rendered obsolete as AI assumes more roles. These challenges seem monumental, but it helps to think of them as hills along the journey, not roadblocks. Yes, the ethical implications of AI require our utmost attention, but policy, regulation, and research can help us climb these hills to a more just and equitable AI-enabled society. A society where AI doesn't cast shadows over human potential, but illuminates it. So rather than avoid these issues, let's confront them. Let's shape AI's continued progress through a lens of ethics. With care, foresight, and cooperation, we can steer this technology toward empowering and liberating ends. The story of AI is still being written, and we hold the pen. Well, we just completed the first lap in our AI roller coaster ride together. As we look to the open road ahead, remember that the sky is just the beginning of what's possible when human creativity and imagination combine with the transformative power of AI. I hope you found some inspiration here today. This is just the start of an ongoing journey we're all on together. To learn more, find me on social media, on X at WalnutAIGuy and Instagram at walnut.ai.guy.